Alrighty, hey friends. No, this isn't a face reveal. I'm doing another unboxing. This is a Gloridea electronic waterproof toothbrush. So let's open this up. I had an electronic toothbrush a long time ago I got from Costco, and I like them. They just didn't last forever. So, oh, there we go. Someone had an idea. Those little stickers, actually a little place where you can grip it and put it on there. Anyways, let's open this up here, shall we? Which way are we doing this here? That appears to be on the bottom here. Well, let's just pull it out. Alright, that's it for the box, except for the cool faces. Anyways, alright, so what do we have here? We have little social media tag here. Follow them on Facebook. Looks like we have the instruction manual, a USB charging cord. Alright, so in here I have a little gift here that's kind of cool. It says interdental head sharing gift. So we're unboxing the box in the box, and that's, I gotta say, that's a cool little box. You gotta, come on, let's see if we can't open this up here. There we go. Alrighty. Okay, so it appears to be, it's a little like a flossing device attachment that goes on there. Let's open this up here. Yeah, it's a cool little brush. Looks like a flossing brush. That's pretty neat. Alrighty, here we have another device attachment. This one says hard bristle. Appears to be well constructed. This one we have is a soft bristle. I like the colors. The last one I had was a white toothbrush. This one's a black one, so it appears to be fairly nice there. Alright, and finally, least but not last, let's get the toothbrush itself out here. Okay, so here we go. It appears to be well constructed. It has white, different modes on here. It says white, clean, sensitive, polish, and massage. And it also has a little icon for charging. I wonder if it comes with a little bit of a charge here. It does. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but okay. So change it to clean, from white to clean, sensitive, polish, okay, and massaging. So it definitely seems to be working quite speedily here. I don't know how to change out the heads right off the bat, but it would appear that they just turn it a little bit here. Alright, well, I don't want to break it, so I should probably read the instructions first, but first thoughts, this toothbrush looks really cool. It's lightweight. Like it says, it's supposed to be waterproof. I will be doing a demonstration here in a little bit. So thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing. This is a toothbrush from Gloridea, electronic, and I will be doing or putting a link in the description below so you can check it out if you want to on Amazon. And so thanks for watching, my friends. Everyone have a great day out there, and we'll see you next time.